In New York, if your loved one died without a will, can you still go forward and bring a wrongful death lawsuit? You want to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. There's been a lot of talk recently because of Joan Rivers, the comedian's untimely death. And now people are asking, if you don't have a will, and now you're in a similar situation, can you go forward and bring a lawsuit for wrongful death? The answer is, yes, you can. A person who has a will simply has prepared documents to say what happens to their possessions in the unlikely event they're going to die. And when they have a will, now it's a simple process of going ahead, hiring an attorney to go ahead and evaluate whether or not there's a valid case. But in a person who died without a will, without those type of instructions, now there's a simple procedure. It involves filling out a series of paperwork that goes to the surrogate's court. That's a specialized court that deals with the people's estates, people who have died. And once we get permission to have one of the family members appointed as the legal representative of the estate, now we can go ahead and now we've gotten permission and authorization that a legal representative from the estate says, Mr. Oginski, go ahead and start evaluating, go ahead and start investigating the case. And now we have legal permission and authority to start getting the medical records and now to evaluate it. And if it turns out that there is a valid basis for a case, at that point we now have the ability, legally, to go forward with a case on behalf of the representative of the estate, typically a family member, and then we can proceed forward. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because there's a lot of talk recently in the news of what happened to Joan Rivers, what happened to her with her doctor, with a throat procedure, putting her into a coma as a result of something that happened during the procedure, and ultimately dying after she was removed from life support. And people are asking, can you still bring a lawsuit for wrongful death if you don't have a will? You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.